Good morning and welcome to my third vlog of the year from the Yorkshire Gardener. I'm just an amateur gardener sharing what I'm doing on my allotment and any tips that I can give, and hopefully getting tips from you as well. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing today. Today I'm going to be concentrating on my fruit bed area. I built this a couple of years ago and I'll post a link to my previous video of building this. This is one of my best areas. I've got my plum tree here, my raspberry canes, which all need cutting back, and I've black membraned it all so that it stops the weeds partially coming back, and it certainly does help. One of the best things that I purchased. And then this is all my rhubarb area. It's all died back, but it all need clearing. Come back soon and see how I get on. As I'm starting to clear away my rhubarb area, as you can see, it's starting to pop through again. Signs of life. I love this time of year. It just shows that January, new beginnings, new life. Love it. It shows that it's starting to warm up here in Sheffield, even though it's still freezing cold. So it started raining here in Sheffield. It weren't forecast, but it's certainly coming down, as you can hear it on the polytunnel roof. But will it stop me? No, I'm tough. I'm from Yorkshire. I'll carry on. I always love to see Mr. Robin down on the allotment. Well, it's all cleared now. And let me show you around how I've got on. As you can see from the breath, it's getting colder here in Sheffield. I think it is time for me to go. Here's how I've got on. It's all nice and cleared. All the leaves are cleared away. Ready for spring and all the growing. As you can see, like I said, the rhubarb's started to pop through. My fruit trees just need a good clipping back. I need to get some secateurs and shears for that. My plum tree needs trimming back. I don't want it as tall as that. I want it at a manageable level. My next job is just to clear down this edging, down the side of my plot. And also I need to cut my raspberry canes back, which I'll post in another video shortly. As I do. That's today's vlog over and done with. If I can remind you to subscribe down below. I want as many followers as possible. Hopefully 100 by the end of the month. And if you enjoy what I'm doing, please comment below and say what you think. And if you've got any tips for me, please feel free to leave them. And remember, happy gardening.